Good morning, guys. Welcome to Brad the Man SA DIY channel. I was just about to do a little project and I thought, well, I'm doing the project and I thought I could show you a little trick. Imagine you need to cut 2 or 3 pieces of any material, preferably a pipe or something that bends, and you need them the same length. Quite an easy way without a tape measure is to use the first ones as a template, and then you can obviously copy, but watch this. That's why I say preferably a pipe or something that bends. Hey. You got your first size. Obviously you've measured that off. Now you want to copy it. All you do is you bend this guy over and you've got a reference mark. Just grab it, Wandile. You see, you've got a reference mark. Apologies for the blunt blade. There you go, guys. The same size. Just a quick hack for you. Thanks. Have a nice day.